Hey guys, welcome back to the DelftStack, and this is how to log out Messenger iPhone. So guys, to do this, first just simply go ahead and go to your Messenger application into your device. Now, over here, you can just simply go ahead and go for the menu at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, over here, you can just simply go ahead and go through the settings at the top over here. And now, if we scroll down over here, we should be able to see Account Center. Select See More in Account Center. And now from here, you can just simply go for password and security. And you should be able to see here on the security checks tab where you're logged in. Tap on that and you will have your Facebook. As you can see, I have iPhone 15. Now from here, you should be able to see all of the accounts that you have logged in into an activity or device. Now, if you scroll down below, you should be able to see here, select device to log out. Now, guys, from here, you can just simply select all or select the specific device that you want to log out, which is your iPhone, and just simply select log out down below and tap on log out. And after that, an email will be sent to you and just simply go to your email. And once you have selected continue, from here, you should be able to log out on your iPhone device. And as you can see, I have been automatically logged out. And there you go. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below. And we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.